I thought I heard the hose going. I walked out to this. Okay, Eowyn.
Stop turning your garden in, please.
Yeah, I'm really glad you didn't turn that on the tomatoes.
But where is the spider?
Did you drink from the hose? Show me how you drink from the hose.
Okay.
Whoa, Eowyn! Are you gonna take a drink? Oh Lord. I love you. Okay, you're gonna start hosing people. Okay, that's enough, No, Eowyn, that's enough. Okay. Eowyn, that's enough, okay? Okay, you done did good, and I'm going to be turning that spigot off.
Mama?
Oh, what?
My shirt is wet.
Really? Oh, well, time for your bike ride.